exploring the market in Whitehaven. You're right, brother? You're right? You're good. Is this Tunisian food?
Sorry?
Is it from Tunisia?
Tunisia is a Moroccan.
Oh, Morocco, sorry. Yeah. Morocco. Okay, it's from Morocco? Okay, that's nice. Nice to meet you guys. Okay. So the market is packed, guys, with a lot of stuff. Here we have sweets.
Ben and Lucy, that's number 2.
Oh, there you go, thank you. Try both. Try it, see if you like, and then we'll buy you some.
Salt and pepper. A lot is happening here, guys. Another African flag here. A lot of art. Here I think is the neighborhood. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so here we have a hotel. It's called Georgian House of Hotel in Whitehaven. All these, I think they are hotels. Yes, books. Yes, you can book here. Right. St. James Lauda. So we just arrived at the church now. It's called St. Nicholas Tower, Chapel and Garden. As you can see here, guys. Whitehaven is a historical coastal town in Cumbria, northwest England. Overlooking the Irish Sea, it was founded in the 17th century by the influential Lowther family. So, look how the chapel is well decorated, guys. This church was erected by Margaret Gibson of Whitehaven, 1883. The chapel is actually located in the middle of the city center. So Whitehaven became one of the British first planned Georgian towns, with streets laid out in a distinctive grid pattern. So they say during 18th century, Whitehaven grew into one of England's busiest ports. It played a major role in the coal industry, exporting coal across the Irish Sea to the island. So this is it, guys, the church here. Right. St. Nicholas Center, Parish of Whitehaven Chapel coffee shop also is available. Let's see how much the houses cost here. Normally houses are asking for £195,000, 148. I think it depends with the size and the rooms as well and location. So let's explore more. Yeah. What is the name of this flower, guys? If you know it, just put it in the comment section. That is another old church there. I don't think it's still functioning. Alright. So now I just arrived at the Civic Hall. This is the Civic Hall here. Lord John of Whitehaven in the county of Cumbria, a refugee from Nazi persecution. Vietnam 1912, London 1995. Made a freeman of Whitehaven in 1961. Okay, so this is the Civic Hall in Whitehaven. Civic Hall, where a lot of activities are happening in here, but today it's Sunday, it's closed. Next to the Civic Hall we have a library, Whitehaven Library, just next to it. Yeah, the town actually has everything.